been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I decided to do a minimalistic makeup look. I decided to keep it really simple for my simple girls. And I am also doing a review on this wig. I purchased this wig from Amazon for only 20 bucks. So yeah, if you're interested in how I got this look, or you're interested in his hair, continue to watch this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so excuse my voice. I know I sound a little nasally. I have a sinus infection, so just bear with me. I know I look a little rough, but in today's video, I wanted to do a wig install. I just bought my first wig from Amazon for 20 bucks. So I plan on showing you guys that, as well as just doing like a simple makeup look. I know I'm always doing something a little extra, but this time, I mean, when I say simple, I mean very simple, like no lashes, just a little eyebrows, you know, a little basic makeup and some lip gloss. So yeah, enough talking. Let's get into this video. So first, I gotta moisturize my face, of course. I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I do have an eyebrow tutorial out that you can go ahead and check it out. And then I'm gonna go in with primer. Then I'm going in with foundation. I'm just going to take 3 pumps and put it on my face with my finger. I'm going to take a flat brush and just blend that in. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with concealer, and I'm not going to use a lot, just a little bit underneath my eyes to cover up my little dark circles, and a little bit on my nose today. And then I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge, wet it a little bit, and blend that out. Like I said, this is going to be a real simple makeup look. Kind of like a everyday makeup. It's like a minimalist makeup, I guess you would call it. But it's not going to be like a full glam or anything like that. It's going to be real simple. I promise. I'm keeping it simple today. So then I'm going to go back over that with my powder. And just push the powder into the concealer so that it increases. Then I'm gonna go ahead and contour just a little bit, just on my cheek area. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a blush. This is a blush and highlighter duo, so it's real simple, best of both worlds. But I'm only gonna use the blush side of it. Okay. I'm gonna go in with just some foundation powder and just set my whole face. And so for the eyes, I'm just gonna put some concealer on them again to prime them for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a real simple eyeshadow color today as well. Today I'm going to be using this ColourPop eyeshadow palette. If this one is called Double Integrate. These are very affordable eyeshadow palettes, so if you want something that's got good pigmentation but doesn't cost a lot, and they literally run sales all the time on their website. This is one of the first brands I started out using, so yeah, check them out. I'm just gonna keep it simple, and I'm probably just gonna use this color right here and just put it all over my lid, and that's it. Next, I got my mascara that I'm gonna put on, but I want to put my eyeliner on first. Then we're gonna put on mascara, set our face, and yeah. The mascara I'm using is CoverGirl Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara. Yeah, I'm not, like I said, I'm not putting any lashes on today, so I'm gonna put on a couple coats of mascara. If you want to, you can go in and add mascara to your bottom waterline, but I'm not gonna do that today. And I'm gonna take that same palette and just add a little inner corner highlight, just because. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Okay, now I'm just going to throw on a little lip gloss. I can't find a lip gloss that I wanted. Oh, here we go. This is the Bath and Body Works Champagne Lip Gloss. If you've been watching my channel, you know I love Bath and Body Works lip gloss. Just plain Jane lip gloss. No lip liner, nothing, just a little gloss. And there we have it for the makeup. I know I still look a little crazy, but y'all just bear with me. Okay, and so this is what the hair came in. I bought this hair from Amazon. It was $20, $19.99. This is the packaging it came in. It came with a pair of hoop earrings. I believe these are little tattoos. I'm not for sure or not, but I believe those are tattoos. And it came with a hairnet, and they wrote a note on there, and it says, "Do you have a map? I got lost in your beauty." I just thought that was so cute. That's the cutest thing. But this is a weaving cap, basically. This is the hair. This is the hair. It comes, looks like this on the inside. Comes with straps, so you can make it tighter if you need to. Technically, it comes with the comb at the top as well, and not one at the back. You don't need a hairnet. I just put one on, just one for the video, because I got my little 2 braids going and they're not the prettiest. But so let's put this hair on and see what we're working with. Okay, so it's really pretty so far. Gotta shift it the right way, get the bangs right. So it's very full, very, very full. Yeah, it's very full, so and you would just style it to your liking. If you like big hair, you would fluff it out more. I don't really like big hair, so I probably won't fluff it out more. I do on certain occasions, but not today. Today I'm not really going anywhere. I just got this hair in and I wanted to make a video with it, so yeah. But so literally, this is all I had to do. This is a really bomb wig for $20, guys. Sometimes, I don't know if y'all are into it or not, but sometimes you get tired of trying to finesse the lace all the time. Sometimes you just want something you can throw on and go out the door. And this is one of those wigs, like I literally don't have to do anything to it. I can just put it on and go. I'll probably trim the bang down some, just because I don't wear a lot of bangs. So I'll probably trim it down some, because you see this little piece keeps getting in my eye. But I don't like it. What do you guys think? The color is really pretty. I don't know. I have to probably thin it out a little bit, because like I said, it's a thick one, but it's really pretty, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look. I actually like this little wig. It's cute to only be $20. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me if you guys are interested in more videos like this. This is my first time trying a video like this, so again, like I said, let me know if you guys are feeling this. Also, how do y'all feel about this minimalistic makeup? I mean, it's real simple. It looks really natural. It doesn't even look like I have anything on. And I know that's the look a lot of people are going for these days. You don't necessarily want to walk out the house with a full glam. Sometimes you just want to keep it simple. And so I feel like the makeup and the hair complement each other. So again, thank you for the support. I love you guys, and I will catch y'all in my next video.
Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they